to watch another amazing video that I have for you. So today we're gonna talk about how I sugar wax my entire body at home. So of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now I'm a DIY queen as I do my own hair, I do my own nails, and why wouldn't I wax my own body? The items you will need for this project are a bag of sugar, and I got this from Aldi, less than $2. You will also need lemon juice as well, bottled is perfect. And then for the application, you can use popsicle sticks if you choose. Some also use a butter knife, but my favorite application tool is an offset spatula. So if you do not have one of these, this is definitely one of my greatest tools in my entire life. Now for the waxing strips. By all means, you can go online and buy very expensive cloth waxing strips, or you can go to Walmart, buy a flat sheet, which this was a twin flat sheet, which literally was like $3, maybe $2.50, and then you can cut your own strips. What's really nice about this method, yes, I've watched this a million times, but what's nice about this, you can create the exact size that you prefer working with. Now we're gonna get into how to make this sugar wax. I will leave the link down below for the video that I actually used, which really helped me out with learning a little bit more about the sugar waxing and also making it. So definitely watch that as well. Here is how I do it. So it's been a couple of hours since I've made my mixture, and it has cooled down to a temperature that I can apply to my skin. This is something that you want to take with caution and also take to your personal level of warmth, because of course hot sugar can really hurt, and you don't need it to be really hot. Like, there's no point to it. So it's not like the hotter it is, the better it's gonna work. One thing I absolutely love about using sugar wax is that it is a lot less painful than using a hard or soft wax. The main reason I feel that it is less painful is that you actually put the sugar against the hair grain. So you go against the hair growth, and then when you pull with the hair growth. So with hard wax, you actually do the complete opposite of a sugar wax, in which that you rip out against the hair growth. So here's the wax. And you know, it's this gorgeous golden color. Again, like, this is something where I've actually used it kind of in all color ranges. Definitely watch that video. I feel like I'm a little bit of a mixture in between like the hard and the soft, but it just works for me. So I'm gonna actually just use my arm really quickly. So what you're gonna do is you're going to put it down and actually go against the hair growth right there. And then you're gonna put your cloth down. So after you do this, you're going to wait just like a couple seconds for it to like harden per se, because you don't want to pull it off if it's too warm still, because you definitely want it to grab onto those hairs. And then just very quickly, it's definitely easier if you have a partner or whatnot, but definitely you want to just take the edge really quick and you're just gonna rip it. You're just gonna rip it. Yes. All right, so let's do it again. The arm hair is actually really hard, I feel, because I feel like it goes in a bunch of different directions. So I generally just shave my arms, but for this example, we're gonna sugar them. So I just went up, and then I'm gonna place down the cloth, and I'm just gonna make sure that she's on. And of course, if you can pull your skin taut, that would be the best. Before ripping it, but of course if you're doing it one-handed, it isn't the easiest, but you're just gonna rip it, and yeah, oh my god, it feels so good. The arm actually does not hurt at all. I actually do my underarms, and what's really funny about the underarms, they actually hurt a little bit, which is really weird. When I am done with my waxing, I actually take my pile of the cloths and I put it in a bowl with hot water, and I just let it soak until all the sugar has dissolved. And then of course I rinse it out, I squeeze it, and then I either let it dry or I just put it in with my load of laundry that I'm doing. It's pretty easy. And then I just fold them up really nicely, and then I just put them in a little stack, and I'm ready to go for the next time. The real key is when you continuously wax, the hairs will keep growing a lot finer, and often they'll be a lot more sparse. So you'll actually end up like it not hurting as much as it did initially. So definitely, if you haven't done it, the first time will be the worst, but once you get through that, it is all gravy after that. So of course, I wanna know if you wax yourself, if you sugar wax, or if you hard wax. Like, I really wanna know what you ladies and gentlemen are doing at home to like DIY, to save money, and just be amazing as if you went to the salon. So of course, reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures and let me know what you're up to, because I absolutely love it. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous and hairless as you want to be. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.